Hello guys, itong condenser papalitan, condenser dalawa, papalitan ng walang leak. Yung isa may leak, yung isa wala. Ito may leak, ito wala. Yan guys, ang gagawin dito, may leak ang condenser. Papalitan ng condenser guys, filter, saka lagyan ng access valve, charging freon.